In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate a component in Fusion 360. This is a small feature that makes a big difference when you're working with assemblies or multi-part designs. Activating the correct component ensures that every sketch, body, and feature you create stays organized inside the right part of your project. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Fusion 360 tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open your design inside Autodesk Fusion 360. You can do this by loading any existing project from your data panel or opening a design you're currently working on. Once the design is open, look over to the left side of the screen where you'll see the browser panel. The browser shows the structure of your entire design, including bodies, sketches, and most importantly, components. In the browser panel, locate the component that you want to work on. Components are usually listed with their own name and icon, and they help keep different parts of your design organized. Once you find the component you want to activate, right-click directly on the component name. This will open a context menu with several options related to that component. From this menu, click on Activate. As soon as you do this, Fusion 360 will switch the active context of your design to that specific component. You'll notice a small but important visual indicator. A filled circle will appear next to the component name in the browser. This filled circle means that the component is now active. From this point forward, any new sketches, bodies, or features you create will automatically be placed inside that active component instead of the top level of the design. This is extremely helpful when building complex assemblies because it keeps every part properly structured and easy to edit later. A quick tip is to always check which component is active before starting a new sketch or feature. If the wrong component is active, your new geometry might end up in the wrong place and require extra cleanup later. Activating the correct component first keeps your workflow clean and organized. And that's how you activate a component in Fusion 360. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Fusion 360 and CAD tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.